another video. So today is Friday. Happy Juneteenth! What a glorious and magnificent day this is. So we celebrated by having barbecue chicken, cornbread, mashed potatoes, and some baked beans. It was so delicious. Anywho, so I'm doing my hair today with some hair paint wax. I bought a new color. I bought white, so I'm interested to see how that would turn out. Maybe have like a little storm effect from like X-Men would be pretty cool. But my hair is really dark, so I don't know if it's really going to take, but I'm excited to try. So I have the hair paint wax in white, not gray, but white. I have, of course, my bottle of hairpins, my Flairosol spray, and some clips from TIGI that I received as a present. It was really well. And some coconut oil, unrefined. I always love smelling it. It's so good. Okay, so let's get started. So, as I've said in my other hair video, I always love to start in the back. So I'm going to do this as a twist out. The last hair video I did was with Mofajang, was a blue hair color, which I do like the hair color. It was really pretty. It does bleed and it smells like men's deodorant. With hair paint wax, it smells so fluorescent. Oh, it smells so nice. I really love this smell. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of water. I'm not going to do too much water because it's pretty late and I want to make sure my hair dries. And then I'm going to use a little bit of coconut oil because my hair is pretty moisturized. I moisturize my hair every day. I'll take a shower and then I'll spray my hair with, well, not my hair, but my scalp with aloe vera. And then I'll put a little bit of my African shea oil mixture on my scalp every day. So my hair is pretty moisturized. So right now I'm just doing a little bit of detangling. Just a little bit. Another reason I like hair paint wax is because when I use hair paint wax and I rinse my hair out, my hair hardly sheds any hair at all. I don't know what it is about this product, but it defines my curls perfectly and it hardly sheds any hair. Now mind you, this video is not sponsored by hair paint wax. I just really like their product. So now that I have that all in there, perfectly detangled, we grab just a little bit. Ooh. And then let's see how it looks. So growing up, I watched X-Men, the cartoon. Great cartoon. Now that I have Disney Plus, I can watch it again now and then introduce it to my kids. But I used to love X-Men. My favorite characters were Storm and Jean. I thought they were so cool. And I wanted to be them so bad. Especially Storm. I'm like, she just looks cool. And then when Halle Berry played her, she like played a perfect role of Storm. Jean was pretty cool too. Okay, so let's see how it's looking so far. You see a little bit. I'm going to keep going. So I'm going to twist this one up. There's been fireworks going off every day this month outside our apartments because it is June, which is Gay Pride Month. So happy Gay Pride Month. So they've been celebrating all month with fireworks. They usually start around like 6 and then they'll pop fireworks for like 4 hours, which is cool. a nice celebration. So that's that one. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of my head and I'm going to come back to you. Okay, so I am finished with my whole head and installing it. You can't really see it that much. I can see it, but it's not as vibrant as my favorite one, which is purple. And you can even see my gray hair. This is Geppetto. I can see him very clearly right there. But as far as the white, it just kind of looks like I put some hair shampoo in my hair, some dry shampoo in my hair, and I didn't wipe it down. But we will see in the morning when it dries and how it looks. Hopefully it looks like whiter than this, but we'll see in the morning. So have a good night. Bye. Good morning, everybody. So it's the next day and I'm ready to take down my hair. So let's see if I get the Storm from X-Men. Now, if you're just looking at it, it's okay. Like I said last night, it just looks like I put some dry shampoo on my hair. I've never used dry shampoo. I've heard really great things about it. I don't know if naturals can use dry shampoo because of, especially 4C naturals, because of the tightness of our curls. If you use dry shampoo, leave me a comment below and let me know how dry shampoo is working for your hair. I've always been curious about that. All right. So today marks the 100th day that we have been in quarantine. So I'm going to celebrate this day as a positive, not as a negative. A positive as that my family and myself, we're healthy, thank the Lord, and we're happy. So 100 days of being healthy and happy. That's how I'm going to look at it. I mean, seriously, I cannot get over the definition that hair paint wax does. I mean, look at that. It's just gorgeous. Now, Mofajing, it does leave definition, but not like this. I mean, it's so pretty. Okay. And okay, well, I see just a tiny bit of white, not that much. So I guess a good thing with using white, the white temporary hair color, if you're not wearing black, is that you don't have to worry about it bleeding everywhere or leaving white marks everywhere because it's white. But where's Jessie? I did a simple twist out. My hair still feels a tiny bit damp, but for the most part it's dry. See, I always like to put twists right here at the crown because it gives you that nice height. I've said that again in one of my other videos. And also, I'm going to leave a link in the description box of my hair paint wax purple color and my Mofajing blue color, just so you can compare. I have no idea how I'm going to do my hair for a protective style tomorrow, if I do my hair tomorrow. Sunday is supposed to be hair day, but as you've seen in my previous videos, I've always been skipping Sunday and just doing it on Monday. Like if I really like this hair color, then I'm going to do it on Monday. I don't know. Maybe I just freestyle it. Sometimes I don't know what I'm going to do for my protective style, and I just freestyle it. So I am loving this twist out. I am trying to focus on the color, but this twist out is like, what? I mean, and it's so loose. I love it. With Mofajing, it was a little bit more stiff. I mean, I love the color. The color did pop out. It was a little bit stiff. It wasn't as loose like this. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so now the color. So the color is okay. I'm not 100% in love with it. I mean, it's nice, but I'm definitely don't feel the storm effect. So I don't feel like I can put my hands out and make it rain, tornado, and all that stuff. No. I just feel like I can watch Storm do it and be like, I tried, Storm, I tried. But anywho, it's okay. This is an okay hair color to wear for like a day or two. I could see myself doing like updos or something like that. Something like that would be cute. Something. But I'm wearing my hair down today. So here we go. I'm okay with it. And there's the back and the other side. So I am going to rock this white hair color for Hair Pink Wax. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.